These are my vegan fondant potatoes. Absolutely delicious. Probably one of the best recipes you'll try when it comes to potatoes. Really simple. So I'm getting started with some Yukon Gold potatoes, and I'm going to cut them into cylinders using a ring cutter. After they are all punched out into cylinders, I'm going inside of a saute pan with some fresh garlic, fresh thyme, as well as a bit of blended olive oil and vegan butter. This is going to be the base of flavor for these potatoes. So once that's nice and melted, I go ahead and put in my potatoes and I pan sear them nice and hard until they're golden brown on each side. So go ahead and take your time with this step. Don't speed through it. You want to have your pan on about medium-high heat. Make sure you pay attention and get them nice and golden brown. Then you're going to baste them just a little bit to make sure they're nice and crispy and golden brown on the outside into the oven with a bit of vegan chicken broth. Cover them and they are ready to be served. These are absolutely delicious. That's it.